Hello, everyone. This is Melissa Fago with Creative Memories from Suffolk, Virginia, and I am not at home and in very poor lighting. So we are going to get right to our sneak peek. Um, I am pretty excited about this. Got a lot of fun things going on. So what I did not do was prepare my screen like I like to do. So let's go get that all taken care of. Um, we have a lot of fun things coming out this weekend or Monday, I should say. And so you have this weekend to kind of look over everything and see what you might want to get. And then you can order on Monday. If you can tell that I am stalling to get everything ready, but I think it's coming loaded. I'm on a Wi-Fi here at our place. Um, okay, that looks good. All right, so let me share my screen. And I like cheating, except for now it won't give me that option. Okay, so I hope you all are doing well. This is going to be a lot of fun. All right, so what we have, and I've already been telling you guys that we have new beginner classes coming out for this year, and so, or new beginner class option, I should say. So what that means is that there's 3 simple kits, which we've been doing simple kits for a couple years now, really perfect to help you like, okay, this is what scrapbooking is, step by step on what you need to do, easy peasy. But then what's next, right? Like, so what do I do after I do this? How do I get started? And I had created some kits to try to help with that, knowing that this was coming along. And so Creative Memories, of course, does it one better. And so the first one coming out, there's 3 different simple kits for classes. On the bright side, I should have cheated. I did not. On the bright side, there's a neutral one, and then it's globally something for like travel. So it's really great. And so to not overwhelm everyone with all of them at the same time, they are coming out with these kits one at a time. So the first one we're coming out with is on the bright side. So you can see all the pretty colors here, how gorgeous it is. It looks like water tones, watercolors. And so this is going to show you and explain the simple kit. So let me just go ahead and play this.
Our On the Bright Side album kit is here, created in partnership with designer Amy Tangerine. This comes in one easy-to-access Creative Memories box. Let's open it up and take a look inside. Each kit includes the On the Bright Side album kit guidebook, your step-by-step companion for creating with confidence. Inside, you'll find everything you need to complete a brand new album. First up, 4 tiers of On the Bright Side embellishments with page layout numbers listed on the back of the packaging. The On the Bright Side border stickers are numbered to match your layouts, making designing even easier. And the repositional tape runner gives you 34 feet of tape to craft and restick with ease. Next, the On the Bright Side album kit paper pack. It creates 16 simple page kit layouts. Finally, the 12x12 On the Bright Side album with top-loading pages, available in Jazzberry, Vivid Blue, or Green Jubilee book cloth. And that's your complete album kit box. Everything you need to start your album today.
Perfect. So I hope that makes sense. Let's see if I can get this to move. So what it comes with is, I'm really kind of a little not confused. I want to see if it tells us. Because I'm not sure what you're building on. Because I'm pretty sure, yeah, it is. It's showing it that way. So what you get in your kit are 12 base, well, which would be 24 base pages, and then the simple page to cut up to put on top, just like you do at the beginner class. So you can do a full year with this kit. And so, because right, that's 24 pages. I say a full year. That's at 2 pages a month, you know. So you can do a whole album. We'll put it that way. Well, you can do a whole album with this kit, and it comes with stickers and embellishments that are just like if you've ever done our cards. So it has the page layout number, and then the letter. I mean, yeah, letter that corresponds with getting it on the page. But the guidebook walks you through everything, and so if you recall that we've been doing guidebooks and playbooks for a while, and the guidebook is going to use every single thing in this kit. And the way they're designed is the papers and embellishments and stickers are all the same, but you might want a different album than someone else might like with this collection. So you get 3 album choices. And that's going to happen with every collection. So this is on the bright side, that's going to have the same option with neutral. The papers and all will be neutral. The same with the global. The papers and all will be global. And then with each one, you'll have 3 different albums. So it will not be these same albums. It will be different albums to go with those collections. It's really going to be cool. They've sneak peeked us some, but we haven't seen it all either. So love how it comes all in this box. You can keep it all together. And then you can also have this is for new people. You can add on your tools like the personal trimmer to help you cut things easier, that kind of thing. So it's really, really going to be nice. Now, there is also going to be a full on collection for those of us that might still be new, but want to do your own thing and are ready to just create your own pages instead of needing it very simple to get you going and get you flowing. And also for those of you that have been scrapbooking for a while. So this is the On Your Bright Side collection. And we're just going to scoot down and watch that video. And again, this is going to happen with every one of these. Oh, this might just have fun music. Oh, maybe not. Yep, just had some. It's buffering. I apologize. I might can rewind that. Let me see if we. Okay. No, we didn't miss anything. It's showing you all 3 albums. So you can get the albums separately. And then that's the paper pack. And this is the tone on tone paper pack. And this is the border punch. It's called Sweetest Scallops. Oh, and we're going to have another trio punch. Postage stamp, a heart, and a heart with a key. Cute mat. Alphabet embellishment. And then your regular embellishment. And then your sticker pack. I love how they worded all of those without stuff on there. All right. So here they are, a little bit bigger. So you have your 2 paper packs, really, really pretty colors, beautiful colors. You have your matte packs, so it's showing you the different mats. You have your monthly title embellishments, and then you have your regular embellishments. And clear stickers even. I did miss that part. They're clear. So they're going to take on the color of what you put them on. That's going to be really fun. I like that idea. And then you can buy the albums separately, as well as the 2 punches. So I'm going to say 2 because the border punch is by itself, and then the trio punch is going to come in 1 pack. I love how they did the stamp on the back and then rotated the hearts through. That's really cute. So on the bright side, buy it all bundle, of course, save 10% from the 12th through the 23rd. And so that is everything that you saw above. That is both paper packs. That is these are the clear stickers. I'm so confused. Stickers, we're just going to say stickers. I guess they're clear. Mats, embellishments, the monthly embellishments, and both punches. And it looks like coordinating cardstock. So, and I don't see an idea book. So we'll have to look at the little little layout. I mean, the what's new paper to see, because it's usually in the picture, isn't it? But I'm going to say bonus printed project playbook. There we go. I need to read, that's all. So that is included in here as well. All right. And then here's your coordinating cardstock collection and the collection. So this life, growing up and school days are going to coordinate very well with this. And this is fun. I'm pretty excited about this. Fresh adhesives. And I love that this, if you've been noticing the new, golly day, I wish my brain would work these days. The new packaging of our stuff, and it's coming over even to this little tape. And so the tape can be used in a couple of ways. It can be used to cover your template so that when you're inking, you're not getting any of the pieces that are around your inking. It's also non-sticky, they were saying, so that you can tape your paper down to your mat if you're afraid your paper is going to move while you're trying to cut something. As well as we're getting the thin foam squares and foam tape. So we're getting 3 different types of tape. So we're getting the place and peel tape, we're getting the thin foam squares, and the thin foam tape. So that's going to be cool. That's been evidently asked for and asked for and asked for. And they do listen when you ask more than once. It has to be not more than once, more than one person. So they do really kind of take that. I say kind of, they really do, to me, listen to us. As long as a lot of us are asking. So whenever you want something, make sure to tell all your friends to do that, to say something to. cmproductsuggestion.com, cmproductsuggestion@creativememories.com. All right, National Scrapbook Day promo is from January 12th through the 20th. When you spend $40+ in the sticker promo qualifiers category on the website, you're going to get the virtual crop tracker and the stickers for free. So those of you that love our virtual crop, I believe it starts today. I haven't even been on anything to know. I think and I might be Eastern time, so it might be starting in like 8 minutes. So these are going to be great if you like doing that. So you're going to get, excuse me, it doesn't tell us if I'm limited. Yep, limit 1 per order. So you are going to go and need to place that order yourself in order to get this, because I cannot order lump my orders together. So we would be having to share the shipping on that anyway. And then I will say that I did have don't want you to see anything on there that I don't remember. So the last chance items are the regular photo tape, gingerbread fun paper pack, and simple kit number 1 from Noteworthy. So that was last year's simple kits. And then the 12x5 brochure pockets. Not sure about that. I love the brochure pockets. So make sure to get yours before they're gone if you like to use the brochure pocket. So I think I clicked that maybe once, twice, 3 times. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Forgot that it goes into the download section. And I wanted us to be able to see. I think we answered all our questions, but and now that I think about it, excuse me, I don't think it switches. Oh, no, it didn't. So I'll have this for you. I just wanted to check and see if there was anything on here that we needed to. Yeah, that looks good. My computer's being slow, and it's probably because I'm in Zoom on somebody else's Wi-Fi and trying to do, a PDF at the same time. It usually doesn't like to let me scroll. All right, so that's the tapes we talked about, and then the album kits. All right, So very cool, very exciting. Yep, that's it. We're good to go. Um, so thank you so much for watching. If you don't have an advisor, I would love for you to shop with me, creativememories.com/user/Melissa Fago. But if you do, please go shop with your advisor and support her. Also, I appreciate any referrals. And I have some workshops or crops coming up as well as retreats. So check out my Facebook page, Melissa Fago, Creative Memories Advisor. And I think that's all for today. Y'all have a great weekend, and you can send me your orders if you're my regular customers or local to me, and and you can pick them up from me at our next event or stop by and pick them up, whatever works for you. So let me know if you want me to order for you. Just know that that $40 thing won't work. All right. So thanks so much for for watching, and have a great day.